Hello and welcome to AMHQ Weekend. Today is April 16th, Easter Sunday. I'm meteorologist Nick Walker in for Reynolds Wolf.
Yes, and so many Easter puns in so little time.
I know. I think we set a new record.
I think we did. I'm meteorologist Jaqui Jeras. I'm in for Kelly Cass today. And here's another one. You ready? Before you hop out the door this morning.
I see what you did there.
We've got your weather that you need to know about for today and into the work week ahead.
Well, you got it late in the day and a little bit different area. We are seeing thunderstorms making their way through the Midwest right now, and they're going to put down a good bit of rain.
Oh yeah, not so much in terms of severe weather at this hour, but we're getting a lot of lightning with these thunderstorms. And then as we head into the late afternoon hours, we're likely going to see some thunderstorm initiation down into parts of Texas as well as Oklahoma. And those could produce some damaging winds and perhaps a few more tornadoes.
Yeah, we've been talking about temperatures that are warm and getting warmer here today into portions of the Northeast, 20 to 30 degrees above average. 80s in Philadelphia, a little early for that.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you look at the big picture today for your Easter Sunday forecast. Whatever you happen to be doing, you may be dodging some showers and thunderstorms across the central and southern plains states, as well as into the middle Mississippi and Ohio River valleys. That's going to be the big focus of some showers and thunderstorms that will bring some heavy downpours. Very warm conditions into the southeast. No problems with your travel into Atlanta as well as Charlotte. Looking at 82 degrees there. Hit and miss showers in South Florida, which would be good news with some of the fires that continue to burn there. How about out towards the west? We're going to see some rain in those locations, San Francisco, as well as into southern parts of Oregon. And if you're going to be traveling along the I-70 corridor today, this is really kind of the main corridor that we think that will have the most travel problems. The kind of impacts that you could be seeing will be greatest in the afternoon hours, but reduced visibility because some of these heavy downpours. This could also lead to some ponding of water on some of the roadways. So just give yourself some extra time and use a lot of caution and be aware of all of your surroundings. Let's go ahead and take a look at I-77, or I-70 rather, St. Louis, looking for some showers and thunderstorms off and on throughout the day today. 77 degrees. Despite some of the cloudiness and all the moisture that we have in the atmosphere, the temperatures here are going to stay quite mild. So a mix of sunshine and clouds with a few thunderstorms in Indianapolis, especially into the afternoon hours for today. This frontal system kind of stalling out, so this is going to be the active region, not just today, but tomorrow as well. Columbus looking for 74 degrees with partly sunny skies and some of those thunderstorms.
Weather for sure here, but not necessarily everybody in the south.
Yeah, it's going to be a little soggy in a few locations. Nick, we want to say good Sunday morning to everybody in Nashville, where it's always a good morning for country ham and flaky biscuits. How about that? Today's temperatures are going to be reaching the lower 80s in the Music City, and expecting some clouds this morning with possibly a thunderstorm or two into the afternoon hours. So this is going to be the thing that we're going to be watching very closely across the Tennessee River Valley as well as the Ohio River Valley as our frontal system starts to sag to the south and kind of stall out overall. And so we are going to be seeing a lot of moisture hitting up against that front, and that's going to head towards the east with these little disturbances riding along the front, which means we're going to see some rounds of showers and thunderstorms that are going to continue into probably at least into Tuesday morning. So keep that in mind. In terms of severe weather, a couple of the storms could be strong, maybe producing some damaging winds, but overall you'll be looking at your garden variety showers and thunderstorms in Nashville, St. Louis, Memphis, stretching down towards Jackson, Mississippi. As we head into your Tuesday, there you can see the focus starts to shift a little bit more southerly, gets into the Atlanta area, spreads into the Carolinas as well, but still you're getting in it. Nashville as well as Memphis, even into Little Rock. So we are going to see more of an active weather pattern, and the rainfall could be heavy at times. How much rain are we talking about? Well, we could be seeing a couple of inches in a few spots, at least with some locally heavier downpours. Notice Wednesday, though, it's a little bit more widespread across the region, but it's not going to be as much of a washout of a day, I don't think, as we head into the middle part of the week. So here's the forecast rainfall totals. We're expecting a few spots, especially kind of focused in here into southern Missouri and right along the Ohio River. This is where we could see some of the heavier downpours in those 1 to 2 inch numbers. I wouldn't rule out a couple of isolated thunderstorms that could bring a bit more than that, like 3 inches, but generally to the south, we'll be looking at up to an inch of rainfall. So that's not a whole heck of a lot, and we can use a little bit of rain across parts of the south. Here's a look at Birmingham, Alabama, 85 degrees with hit and miss showers and thunderstorms to kick off your work week. And then as you head into Tuesday, we'll see a few more hit and miss storms, but the sunshine should peek out. Let's take a trip to the